Hello everyone, I am Sunita, your English teacher. Welcomes you again in my next video. So students, today we will take up the chapter from English Reader, Unit 2, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. So this is a story about the dog who was fed up from his life. A long time ago, the dogs were also as wild as wolves, but one dog was fed up from his life. He didn't like to wander here and there in search of food. So he thought he should have a master for himself, जो उसको protect करे, उसको food दे. So he went in search of his master, and during his journey he met some animals. He wanted that master who was the strongest on the earth. So in this journey he met so many animals, and at last उसने किसको कंसिडर किया as his master, we will see in this chapter. So let us read this chapter.
How the dog found himself a new master. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. So what is the meaning of ill-pleased? Ill-pleased means unhappy with his way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. Wandering means roaming here and there, इधर उधर घूमना, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So why did the dog feel the need of a master? The dog felt the need of a master because he was unhappy of wandering about in search of food. He did not want to go every day and find food for himself. And then he was afraid also. He was frightened the animals who were there, who were stronger than him. So he thought that he should have a master for himself. It means वो dog food को सर्च करने के लिए बहुत वो अपनी लाइफ से परेशान हो गया था. वो बाहर नहीं जाना चाहता था फूड सर्च करने के लिए, और उसको अपने से स्ट्रॉन्गर एनिमल्स का डर भी लगता था. तो उसने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे जो है किसी का सर्वेंट बनना चाहिए और मेरा कोई मास्टर होना चाहिए, मालिक होना चाहिए, जो मुझे प्रोटेक्ट करे और मुझे फूड दे. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So because he was not happy with the wandering and he was afraid of strong animals, he thought, let's find the master for myself. I have a master who will be stronger than anyone on the earth. Okay? So he walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Kinsman's is a relative, and fierce one who is very violent. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. So he met a big wolf who was distant relative of dog himself. तो उस रास्ते में उसको एक बड़ा सा वुल्फ मिला जो उसका ही रिलेटिव था, उसके जैसा ही दिखता था. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So the wolf asked him where he was going, and he asked the wolf if he could be his master. तो वुल्फ ने उससे पूछा, डॉग से पूछा कि वो कहाँ जा रहा है, और डॉग ने वुल्फ से पूछा कि क्या वो उसका मास्टर बन सकता है. I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. वुल्फ ने क्या आंसर किया कि why not, मैं आपका मास्टर बनना चाहूँगा. और दोनों ही एग्री हो गए, एक डॉग सर्वेंट बनने के लिए और वुल्फ उसका मास्टर बनने के लिए, और दोनों फिर साथ चलने लगे. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. So what happened? They walked and walked, और वो चलने लगे एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन द वुल्फ लिफ्टेड हिज नोज, स्निफ्ड. अचानक जो है वुल्फ ने अपनी नाक ऊंची की. स्निफ्ड मीन्स लाइक डॉग ट्राई टू स्मेल समथिंग. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डार्टेड? डार्टेड मीन्स इन अ रश वेंट ऑफ द पाथ. ही रैन इनटू द बुशेस इन अ पैनिक एंड क्रैप डीपर इनटू द फॉरेस्ट. और फॉरेस्ट में वो भाग गया. द डॉग वॉज मच सरप्राइज. डॉग को बहुत सरप्राइज हुआ. व्हाट्स कम ओवर यू मास्टर? ही आस्क्ड. व्हाट हैज़ फ्राइटेंड यू सो? उसने डॉग ने वुल्फ से पूछा कि व्हाट हैपन, क्या हुआ, आप इस तरह से क्यों भाग रहे हो? Can't you see? There is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me. So what wolf answered? Wolf answered कि तुमने देखा नहीं कि वहाँ पर एक बैर है और वो हम दोनों को ही खा सकता है. Bear, it's children, it is bear, not bear. Bear means भालू. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill." Because he was thought he would making that animal as his master who will be strongest on earth, so dog thought that I should leave the wolf and I should make bear as my master, and he left the wolf and asked the bear be his master. वुल्फ ने देखा कि डॉग ने देखा कि वुल्फ इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है और उसने डिसाइड किया था कि उसको सबसे स्ट्रांगेस्ट एनिमल को अपना मास्टर बनाना है. तो उसने वुल्फ से कहा कि आई एम गोइंग बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट अ मास्टर हु इज़ स्ट्रांगेस्ट. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक अप सर्विस विथ हिम एंड ही लेफ्ट द वुल्फ. और उसने बैर से पूछा कि क्या वो उसका मास्टर बनेगा. द बैर एग्रीड और उसने कहा कि लेट अस गो एंड फाइंड अ हर्ड ऑफ काउ, कि चलो चलते हैं और जो काउ का जो हर्ड होता है. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ हर्ड? हर्ड का क्या मतलब होता है? हर्ड इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ काउ. ग्रुप ऑफ काउज इज कॉल्ड हर्ड. तो उसने कहा कि चलो हम काउज का ग्रुप देखते हैं और हम उसमें से एक काउ को मार देंगे एंड हम दोनों उसको खाकर अपना पेट भरेंगे. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. Mooing is in panic. What is the meaning of mooing? Mooing is in panic. Cows की जो आवाज़ होती है, जो साउंड होता है, वो मूव होता है. तो वो लोग डर के मारे मूव करने लगे. हर्ड, they all were afraid. They were making sound. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. जब बैर और डॉग जा रहे थे तो उन्होंने किसको देखा? काऊ के हर्ड को देखा. लेकिन जब वो उसके पास आए, they were stopped. वहाँ पर वो लोग चुप हो गए, स्टॉप हो गए, क्योंकि एक बहुत भयानक टेरिबल नॉइज़ आई. काउज वर ऑल्सो मूविंग लाउडली. काउज भी जोर जोर से मूव करने लगे. एंड रनिंग इन अ पैनिक इन ऑल डायरेक्शन, और इधर उधर भागने लगे. द bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. जो बैर था वो भी इधर उधर उसने देखने लगा और वो ट्री के पीछे छुप गया. और he also ran hastily, और वो भी तेजी से भागने लगा फॉरेस्ट में. He looked here and there, the bear, and then he must have seen something. And he also ran very quickly, and he hid himself deep into the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion? Who is he? Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, Bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So, this was the conversation they both held. He told that I should have not come over here because this is the part that is the rule and the whole forest ruled by the lion. ये बैर ने कहा कि हम इसलिए भाग के आए हैं फॉरेस्ट में क्योंकि वहाँ पर एक लॉयन था और लॉयन जो है वो फॉरेस्ट का राजा है, उसका यहाँ पे रूल चलता है. एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई यू शुड नॉट गॉन देयर. और तुम्हें भी उस तरफ नहीं जाना चाहिए. वुल्फ ने ऐसा बैर ने ऐसा डॉग को कहा. एंड व्हेन द डॉग हु द लायन वाज एंड व्हाई ऑल एनिमल्स रैन, जब डॉग को पता चला कि लायन कौन है और सब एनिमल्स उससे क्यों डरते हैं. सो ही थॉट द लायन इज सपोज्ड टू बी द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बीस्ट. तो डॉग ने सोचा कि इट मीन्स जो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एनिमल है, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बीस्ट है फॉरेस्ट में, वो लायन है. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone author. So this is what dog said to the bear. He told to bear that he would say goodbye to him and he will make the lion as his master because he wants somebody who was the strongest on the earth to be his master. Okay, children? And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Offended means displease, किसी को नाराज करना. So all the animals, they never ever did anything wrong to the dog, and the dog, he was really happy and the life was very good, and he served the lion for a long, long टाइम. लायन एग्री हो गया डॉग का मास्टर बनने के लिए. डॉग उसके साथ रहने लगा, उसको वो सर्व करने लगा, उसकी सेवा करने लगा लायन की, और उसकी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी चल रही थी. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. So what happened one day? One day, एक दिन क्या हुआ कि जब वो दोनों पाथ में चल रहे थे तो अचानक लायन स्टॉप हो गया. Cliff means, what is the meaning of cliff? Here one word is there, bare cliff. Bare cliff का मतलब होता है a small hill, जो bare होती है जहाँ पे कोई vegetation होता है, without any vegetation. So his master heard something. It means lion heard something, and with anger, with his paw, he hit there in the ground, and he ever made a hole over there, and then he backed away from the path. जब वो चल रहे थे और एक हिल के पास आए तो अचानक लायन स्टॉप हो गया. उसने अपनी आवाज़ निकाली, जोर से रोर किया और ग्राउंड में अपना पा हिट किया, जिससे ग्राउंड में क्या हो गया, एक होल हो गया, एक खड्डा हो गया, और वो वापस जाने लगा. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We would better run for it or we will be in trouble. What lion said? लायन सेड कि मुझे एक आदमी की स्मेल आ रही है और वो हमें हम मुसीबत में पड़ सकते हैं, तो इट्स बेटर कि हमें यहाँ से भाग जाना चाहिए. So because the lion retreated, he moved back. The dog asked what is the reason was, and the lion told that it must be a man and they would be in trouble if they would not move back. Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. तो व्हाट डॉग सेड, ही सेड कि तब तो मुझे आपको गुड बाय कहना होगा, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट अ मास्टर हु इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन एनी वन ऑन अर्थ, कि मुझे एक ऐसा मास्टर चाहिए जो इस अर्थ में सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो. And of the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. So dog found that man is the strongest on earth. Even the lion was afraid of the man. So that is the reason why he became the servant of man. And since then he has been served mankind and the most faithful and the most loyal servant. तब से डॉग जो है मैन का सर्वेंट बन गया है और वो उस लॉन्ग टाइम से मैन को सर्व कर रहा है. उसने मैन को अपना मास्टर बनवा दिया है. एंड द डॉग इज़ फेथफुल एंड द मोस्ट लॉयल सर्वेंट. I hope student you like the story. Go through this story and whatever the PDF I will send, you have to write in your workbook. So students, go through this story. Okay? So bye bye and take care.